Hi, YouTubers. This is Papa Bear.
And my name is Ghost Rider Captain America.
Ooh, I like that one. Ghost Rider Captain America. Well, today we're here to review McDonald's Happy Meal.
Shrek, the final champion.
Shrek, the final champion. And this is toy number
5
in the series. And it looks like we have... Who is this?
Fiona.
Princess Fiona. And as you can see, this is from McDonald's, and so they also want you to go online and see what other things that they have at happymeal.com. And let's go ahead and open up the package.
Papa, can you open this, please?
Of course, I would love to open this for you. Let me start it here. Let me continue to start it. There you go. Try it now.
It's heavy.
Okay.
It's heavy for small.
There you go. So now it's open. Oops. Okay. And so, yeah, I want to hold it like this so that it doesn't reveal our secret number here. So then when we go online...
Papa,
What?
we can't see the direction.
Oh, okay. Okay then. So this is... Who is this?
Princess Fiona.
Princess Fiona. Oh, cool. And her shield moves.
Let me see.
Yeah, check that out. Ah! Wow, she sounds pretty feisty for a female org. She's pretty feisty, huh?
Yeah,
She says,
because
"Hiya! Clank! Hiya! Let's move out." We haven't heard that one yet. There it is. Let's move out. So she is much more aggressive, it appears, in this movie because...
you know why?
Why?
You know why she's fighting?
Why is she feisty?
She's in battle.
Ah, she's in battle gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Kind of got a Scottish kilt going on there too. Yeah.
But look like her sword's getting up.
Yeah, I don't see a sword though. But you're right. Let's move out. So, yeah. Pretty cool. So she can stand up, right?
Yeah.
What other things are you found her special ability? So according to the instructions, you have the on and off switch, and then by pressing the shield, you get the different sounds. Okay. So what else moves on this figure? So it looks like her hand can move.
And it looks
360.
like her shield can move.
Her shield can move in a circle. What else do we got? Is that it?
Nope.
No. What else is going on?
Look. Chinese letters.
Really? Where? Let's see.
Look.
Where?
That's right here.
Oh, she's got like a... Oh, no. See, that her shirt is torn, so it's stitching. Stitching on the shirt. So, but pretty cool. Pretty cool figure. You know, orgs are green. They have their green skins. And, you know, in the story itself, Fiona was actually a human who chose to stay as an ogre because of her love for Shrek. Right? Yeah. So that's what we have. So YouTubers, Thanks so much for watching.
So go to jb.com and use the Iron Man, Donkey, and Fiona,
Yeah.
and me.
Okay, yeah, you know what? So we'll work on that site and try to get that up. But anyways, bye-bye.
Bye bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.